abroad no good, why you not come back? Person wey never make am, he can't come back. No, the same one I go still use laugh kill the person. Now hypertension go first kill am. Hello, na me again, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, baby, reader concept. Today, I want to talk about 3 things you're supposed to know before you come abroad. This abroad issue, you don't dey well. If you dey tell some people say e gas e be, they will say why you not come back. Abroad no good, why you not come back? Make the person come back, make una take laugh kill am. Person wey never make am, he can't come back. No, the same one I go still use laugh kill the person. Now hypertension go first kill am. Now make many day still dey for the abroad, they not come back. No be say they no want come back. Now because say then they fear on a mouth. People in Africa, the way one I go use yab them, use people give them example. I make am. Number 1, na time. You go think of time, think your age before you start to move. Because nobody keep money for here. Nobody prepare company keep. Now waiting, we wait here, they see. If you come, you go first find where you go stay. Before you go get yourself, 1 year, wait till they come 1 year, 2 years, 3 years don't come out. Now few ones, now they get luck, then come, they just enter, things just move. Majority, they suffer for years before they get something. We no go talk of the document side, that one. Many years, majority, many years, they 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, never get document. So they count the age, the person age, they plus those years now where you dey, where they hustle, you want make am first, especially women. You see woman will come abroad because of say you want make money now. He can't make na money he can't make. The men go they propose to her that time where they young, he no go agree. He no say time they go, they waste years. The time now where be say maybe money coin time hand, wait till find come, he can't get time. Age don't pass. So those people propose to her that time don't marry another person. They don't move on. The one way be say even you go come wait, the thing you not still say, it was okay, may come marry. You go check time, don't go. They don't listen as old school. For abroad here now, you go no say, you know they know when 1 year don't just pass. Before you know, they don't tell you say Happy New Year again. That's why just day for year. Abroad they waste people time well. Before you go find work, before you go find where you go stay, before you go find connection, person will go connect you for things. So they will first they look you like television. As we say you come, everybody use the same mind though. Now for abroad here, you know say you're on your own. Not be that person there for phone, they laugh hey with you. When you come meet them for here, say guy how it happen. Now that time you go to hear story like this, it can't be like this, it can't be like that. So if you they come abroad, you know say you're ready to waste years. With the day here, we go to hear say people in Africa, some of your age mates, some people where you live Africa don't even make am. Now the thing where you go know say not be everybody destiny day for here. So people say they come, they suffer. When I mean suffer, they no go see who put them for house. They will first go government house, go they stay. Before they taught this one, 6 months don't they count to 1 year don't they count. The one where even deal with person to feed safe will be problem. Because you're on your own. That one say in come hustle too. They not they easily put person for house. Not be that way they talk. When you call your person say, I won't come. If I come, if you hear you say, if you come now, if now my country, if now where I dey, I will help you. You know they be like that too. When you go reach airport self, sometimes now you go come call. The person will they tell you stories. You tell you say not they has this one. Many people don't strand. That time you come face reality. Before you go know, people in Africa, you know, say that then they can't pass for you. Then they count 2 years for your head. Then they count 5 years for your head. And you were there here now, you never know where you stand. Abroad, they waste person time. That be number one. Number two, now get ambition. You get plan. Now the thing where people dey here, they even suffer. Like talker. Some go dey here, make money. They don't know what they can do. Before they do 1 or 2 things, the money go finish. They'll come start from beginning again. They'll come go back to square one. Get plan. Get what you want to do. You want come abroad, come make money. Think what you want take the money do. Not be build house or all those things or help family member. Waiting which investment you want take the money where you want make do. Because some go make the money finish before they will come they think. By the time they think, then they spend the money. Before you know, money don't finish. Money not they stay hand. So now be the thing. As you they struggle, they come. They apply for visa, they think of anyhow way you want come. They think when I get this money, wait I want take country. Many people don't make the mistake for abroad. They make money. You hear say this person make money. When you see again, after 5 years or so, you not get again. Because you not get plan. You not get skill, you not learn anything. Handwork, you not get. To do business, not be everything. Because thinker say, God forbid, the business now come knock. Everything don't go. But when you get handwork, you go fit start again. I go advise before you come off Africa, say you come abroad. Get handwork. Learn something. Learn something before you come out. If na carpenter work or furniture, you learn am. If na graphic, you learn. Women, hair, learn how to make hair. Men, learn how to barb. Learn something. Not just come, you say, okay, if I don't make am, I go put am for business. Do this. What if the business come up? It don't affect many people for here. So that the thing way you still think, say, if I come, wetin I will do. And the one way they here, now, still learn from this one. No say, you need to learn something. Number 3, now fake life. People wey dey abroad, they live fake life well. Africa, then they live, yes, but here, then the fake life, they all they live for, say, for people wey dey here. Then they do it to people wey dey home in Africa. Now make everybody want rush come there abroad. You will see person go there for abroad for 10 years, 15 years. You will say, may you go visit Africa. Go pack all the good, put for body, buy better car. You will see the way, if you come from Africa, you go hang like say, nah, this thing from come. Say na Queen Elizabeth Palace, na from come. My dear, some of them, I tell you, where they watch me, where they plan to come abroad. Some of them, they come like that. They come back home, look big. Now, waiting, they gather for many years. Then they carry come spend. They don't even get hope when they come back, how it go be. They will just come use the money, intimidate others. When they come back, they will come start from scratch. And I make our guess in Africa, they will just fall. Once they don't tell them, those the next thing they don't they carry the man, they go prayer house, me for marry them. Best way you they carry go prayer house. That money way he carry come Africa, no let I get to. He not get for where he for come. When you see them, when they come from abroad, you will be like say, now them be the president self or the governor with the prime minister of the country that for come. Now packaging. Now some of them now money where they just make. Some go just maybe gas then waka money just enter their hand. They will just rush come house. As they come before they come, they go use at least like 2 months to rub cream. Or a month rub better cream. you go look good, eat better food, you go sleep well because you get plans say they go home. As they go, when you reach home now, people go say, I fresh. Say I see fresh, enjoyment don't finish them for day. Now, the thing I want to tell people they abroad. Why on another they go home? Make them know the real truth. Go home the way you they make them know the real truth. You say people go laugh. They don't stay many years. But now when they make our people go, say our people today enter road. Our young ones they enter road. Our young ones they enter road. They want come abroad. They don't know how abroad. Now we they cause am too. We wait abroad. Now we they cause am. The way they do, they come home. The one we get money. I don't say many anybody may they not come back home well. May you not look good. May you they tata no. But still they learn and they know the truth. You go trick our guests, young guests. You go trick them. Say now you get container this, you get this, and you not get. The next thing that you go marry the girl, keep am for Africa. You come here, come they struggle again. You know, come see money they send give am. The girl will say you they lie, but they swear for you. They let them they know. Or your family as you come now, you spend you everything, you not tell them the truth. They ask you how does that they fine, they work everything, they move well, and they work for one company where be say na farm. The farm work safe. If you come back, you're not even sure say you go even day. And they talk true. So you where they prepare to come. Now the truth that's what I want to tell you. Not say what of the ones where they go, they bring money, they go hammer. Everybody head not be the same. For inside 200, how many hammer like that? I don't say many but not come. But not the way you go come, you say, they not tell you. Many people they talk. Say they not tell them. You know, explain for me. So as you watch this video now, you know, say ready to waste years. If you still enter for you, fine, good. We pray, may enter. Where? Maybe say you just come, everything just enter. But now 1 in a million. Can't years join your own before the one where you did. Put, say, at least I give myself 5 years, 10 years, some self, even 20 years, they never make am. Not because, not be saying a home problem. It may be say your destiny not there for the abroad. Na make am. And wetin you go fit dey do small when you come. You just come and say, hey, guy, I dey barb hair, my barb your hair. He give you small money, you take and dey first dey hold yourself before you go dey stable. Not the way you go just come, you come dey open eye dey look. Now they make some now they come dey find woman with the one job. Get handwork before you come. And know wetin you want take your money do when you get money. Not the way say when money come and come plan it I will use the money do. You know say fake life they say our people today fake. They'll come out, when they come, they'll wear white t-shirt, but they shine, they'll come wear canvas set, the bands. So safe when they come back they don't get house where they go enter. Everything don't know, they just carry the money, just see me they can't spend for Africa. So you get with the watch. Take careful, abroad husband. You don't hear say you come from abroad. Your dream don't come true. Be careful. You better say you marry who not get. You dey see am for eye. You know how it be. And the one we go just marry you keep for there. Now for phone you go dey hear say I'm busy, or you no go even pick again. Some self maybe the man get issue where he hustle. So make we just be careful. You will want come, make you think am. And we don't dey here already. May we say still look into this matter. May we not dey fake am. May we dey tell them as it be. So we'll go stand for front of person house, Oyibo house. They will go snap. Do like say na their house. Wetin you dey tell them? You dey tell them say you do okay. Say na so it be. Where it be say where you live. Some places safe for where blacks they live for abroad. It be like a Ajegule. But they will come go the fine side where Oyibo people they dey. Where be say few blacks and they live for that side. They will snap, set, do, put on for social media. The ones with Africa will say, hey, how we say na me. one snap picture, everybody go make up, look good. You don't know wetin the person dey pass through. So make we dey careful for wetin we dey pray for. Dey pray might be like this person, and this abroad I must go. First ask God, now then your destiny dey. People dey Africa dey make am. People dey Africa dey make am. Now make you just know the right thing to do. I say make God direct you the right thing. Not dey pray, not make your abroad your prayer point. Say God may show you the right thing to do. Where your destiny dey wey be say now you go for prosper. Not take abroad as prayer point. Not force God to push you come abroad. Later you come dey regret. Say why you come. Many people dey here they regret, but they don't fit go home because of na mouth people in Africa. Because no, now time say hey, you whole abroad now you go, you not fit make am. But now here you go make am. They go talk to the person anyhow. That one will first die with high BP. I beg. Wanna consider these 3 things before I start to come Europe. The ones wey one come and the ones wey be say then they here, they just come. Wanna think and well. If you get any word where I use wey be say you not like, when you throw away the word, take me. I be your sister, I be your friend, I be your care. Now share this video, like, subscribe to our channel. I see you in the next video.